guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a white polygel set, another white polygel set. I know my last two videos have been white polygel, but it's just because my sisters and I, we just like to match. So first we're going to start with the nail prep. And now I'm going in with my KDS glue and gluing on all my tips. Now I'm cutting them to the length I like. And blending the nail tip in with the natural nail. Then I'm taking my primer and dehydrator and painting that onto the natural nail. Now, these nails are pretty simple. I would say they are good for a beginner, but I feel like a beginner would make them much shorter than I did. If you are a beginner, just know that you can make them shorter or customize them to what you like. But in this video, I am just showing you how to basically apply the polygel, and I showed you how I did my design, which I think is pretty simple. Anyways, I just took my Model 1's base coat and painted a thin layer on each of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Next, I just took my white Makartt polygel and applied a layer to the nails. So how I apply my polygel is I basically use a patting motion. I dip my brush into the alcohol, tap it on the napkin so it's not too wet, and then I just pat the polygel around until it covers my nail. I do drag the polygel sometimes, but that's only when I'm kind of smoothing down the nail so it's not so lumpy. But when I do drag, I make sure to dip my brush into the alcohol and I don't really tap it on the towel. So the brush has more liquid so that when I do drag it, I don't take all the product with me. I suggest to take your time, and you can go little by little if you want to. You can start with just painting some polygel on the tip, curing it, and then adding some near the cuticle, curing it. There's many ways you can do it, so just do whatever you feel comfortable with when applying the polygel. So now here is where it started going downhill for me. I decided I was going to use these gold charms that I've used in my last videos. And then I decided that I don't like it. So then I tried adding some iridescent flakes and decided I didn't like that either, so then I took it off. Next, I just went in with just iridescent flakes and some glitter and one moon. And I didn't know if I liked it or not, so I went and put it on the other nail and decided I didn't like it again. So I took that off. Then I just went in with just glitter, and then I put that moon there, and I decided that I was just gonna do all the nails in glitter. That's it. And my place is a mess. My area is a mess. I am sorry. When I do my nails, I am messy.
Oh my God!
So then I got frustrated and decided to take a break from my other nails, and then just went to the thumb and encapsulated that with some clear polygel. And then I shaped it. Then I'm taking my E-file with a sanding band, a coarse sanding band, and I'm just going over the nail to remove any lumps or bumps that may be there. Next, I decided I wanted to do this flame design, and so what I did, I just painted some top coat where I was going to paint it, and painted it on. And I used a picture, so, you know. Next, I just encapsulated the pointer finger. I stopped recording because I got frustrated. I'm sorry. On the first hand, I just went in and painted the flame design on all the nails, and that's pretty much it. So now you guys can see me do my opposite hand. Because a lot of people ask me how do I do my non-dominant hand, and I'm just like, it just comes natural, you know what I mean? Then I just painted a flame design on all the nails. This is my non-dominant hand, so it took me a while. They're not horrible. I will give myself that. So finally, we're finished, and I'm just applying some cuticle oil. This video was a little chaotic. I'm kind of sorry, but I just wanted you guys to see that it takes trial and error sometimes, and you know, practice makes perfect. Don't give up. It took me 3 tries to get a design that I actually kind of liked. Anyways though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.